Hello everyone, welcome back to another petty sketch video. Today, I'm doing a sketch of a really cute fluff ball. No, it's actually a really cute kitten. So cute! It's a black kitten. I'm still not really sure if it's possible to just sketch a black kitten, or a black dog actually, with just lines, because I cannot seem to make it work. So instead, I changed my approach, so I'm doing more of a digital painting instead of a sketch. And it looks okay, but it'll need more time and practice on my part. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Just look at this fluff ball. Doesn't it remind you of that Miyazaki film, Spirited Away? One of those black suit. So cute. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you like it, please like and subscribe it. It'll help me out a lot. And as always, stay happy, stay healthy, and have a great day. Bye!